I'm Edie Lush here in Monaco at the Transition Forum, and Simon Bernard, who's the co-founder of Plastic Odyssey, has stopped by to tell me about what Plastic Odyssey is.
Well, it's a crazy project. We are powering a boat only with plastic waste collected. So it's not a boat that will collect the plastic. It's more some sort of a laboratory of plastic recycling, an ambassador of technologies, small technologies, adapted to developing countries. So we are putting all these systems on the boat to show that if it's possible to do that on the boat, we can replicate these systems everywhere, so that stopping the plastic before it enters the ocean.
So tell me about the technology. What do you do with the plastic to make it power the ship?
So there is this technology that can transform the plastic back into fuel. So we can transform 1 kilogram of plastic back into 1 liter of diesel and gasoline. But that's not the only way, because obviously that's the last step of recycling. When you cannot recycle it anymore, you can make fuel. But before that, we work on recycling into materials, new materials, to make bricks to build houses, tiles for the roof, these kind of materials that can be used directly, locally. And also a system to sort the plastic, because that's one of the big issues. How do you identify and sort the different types of plastic? So basically 3 solutions that can then be replicated and create local economies on the coast of developing countries.
So tell me about that. Tell me about how you sort through plastic. Because I live in London, and one of the big issues is some plastic can be recycled, some plastic can't. But so you tell me from your perspective how you're using it.
Well, that's something that is invisible for us. When we sort the plastic, we don't know whether it is PE or PP or PET. So behind that, there are sorting machines that can identify that, which exists but are reserved for industrials. And what we're trying to do is to make this same system, same sensor, to identify the different types of polymer and to be able to sort the type of plastics so that you can recycle it afterwards.
How do you scale? Because this is a great technology. What's the next step for you?
So that's the main goal of the boat, this particular boat that will raise awareness and communicate on the solutions. And this boat will set sail in 2020 to go around the coast of Africa, South America and Asia, so the 3 continents, the most polluted continents as far as plastic pollution is concerned. And the idea is to go around for 3 years expeditions and to create communities of entrepreneurs and local communities that can use really these systems to recycle plastic and make a living from this waste, thus being a resource and avoiding it just being thrown in the nature.
Simon, thank you very much for stopping by Hub Culture in Monaco, and I'm Edie Lush.